Thursday night, welcome back. We got this fridge earlier in the day. It's always a great way to start it out. Ava left for the day and she didn't put away the trash cans. Grr! Kids! Ah! All right, well, fun enough. That's what it is. So we're gonna go out and see if we can't put some stuff in this truck. So let's go do it. Okay. Out on the road we are. Seeing what we can get here. Happy Thursday. Hey, he's a chair. Here's a chair, so we already know what we're gonna do there. We're just gonna sit back. We're gonna relax. You're gonna kick up your feet. And then you're just gonna smash that like and subscribe button. Over and over and over again. Can you do that? Can you subscribe to me more than once? Can I get somebody to subscribe maybe 50, 60 times? Get this, we'll get to 2,000, no problem. Come on. Don't you do that to me. Oh. Where's the little button on this one? Where you at? Where you at, Flapjack? Holy goodness. Oh. Is that where it is? See, this thing's broke. That's why it's out here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We like to fully break things. You ain't broke until we officially break you. Oh. What you got going on there? Well, this ain't a bad start to the night. This ain't a bad start at all. Got a little water on me. Boom. We like it. All right. Let's go find some more stuff. Me, you, and the film crew. We are the film crew. Let's go. All right, well, hey, this is kind of a good sign as far as signs go. Do. Not really sure how this is gonna sit. Ooh, he's so aggressive. This is kind of what I had in my mind, in my mind's eye, bird's eye view. I don't know. Could be silly. Maybe we should plop it right there next to that chair and then strap the whole thing in overhead. I'm gonna try that. I'll get right back with you. A little game of Tetris. I think we did all right on this one. Get that right there. Get a nice front stack going. Say it with me. Front stack going. All right, here we go. Yes, sir. Yes, we will. Sure enough. Yabba dabba doo. Let's go. Okay. This is already doing better than last week. We got skunked in this neighborhood last week. Did a whole lot of driving around sightseeing. Because we weren't scrapping. We were just looking around. Alright, cool. Look at that thing. Holy goodness. Let's go. Sir, that's an original there. That is an original. Little Rock, Arkansas. Look at that. Come on, you could still use that thing. Back when they built stuff. I'm impressed. I gotta tell you. I am impressed. That thing is epic. What year you think that's from? Somebody hit me up on a year of this thing. Oh, hey, how you doing? Thank you, boss.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you for your service.
Oh, thank you.
Appreciate you, man. Have a great day.
You too.
Okay. So we are not doing too bad tonight. Put this up over here real quick. Hopefully that'll work. Hopefully that'll work. And a washing machine. We like that. Oh, look at that. I got some scaffolding. Oh boy, just get the hand truck out next time. I can hear some of you saying it, and I agree with you. I agree with you. So the kids got all done with school today. They are officially done. Ava will be going to 8th grade next year, and Claire will be king of her school in 5th grade. Sweet. Oh. Next year is the last year that I have a kid in elementary school. My wife can't handle it. It's too much. Okay, we got the drop this week. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. We got the drop on everything this week. I'm gonna say we're the first ones. We are the first ones in this neighborhood. That is not always the case. That is not always the case when it comes to these neighborhoods. What you got there? What you got over here? All right. And a television. I'm no longer in the TV business. I'm not doing it. All right, cool. Let's go. It's turning. Yeah, I just seen a guy on the road. He's like, "You better get done whatever you gotta get done, cause it's coming." Can't disagree with him. This is probably another thing I should get better with. Is electronics. Most of this stuff would probably sell pretty good. Even at like, I know there's people who go around at like yard sales and just, this is what they look for. Fix it up and sell it. Everything can be resold, huh? Such a beautiful life if you're into it. Neighborhood is doing it. More than normal. Which I'm good with that. Because last week was ooh. Last week was worse than normal. So at least we got a little ebb and flow. Rah! All right, strap this thing down and back off we go. So I didn't see that they had the trash cans gimmicked up. They were all leaning, and I moved a piece, and as soon as I did, cow bluey. So, as you see, we have to give it a little bit of that action on there. We'll put that there. Maybe this was up here. I don't know. I don't know where that was. We're gonna put it there to balance everything out. And we're gonna take our little bit of stuff right here and go on our merry way. I was like, oh no. It all just fell. I wasn't even gonna film it. I thought it was this one little piece, so I'm like, oh, it's not even worth filming. And then, boom. Everything just collapsed. Right across my belly. Getting awful cloudy out here. All right, so if you look right down here, that's where the other road that I was on, and it goes right by there, and I actually saw this thing from way over there. Craziness. Me, the guy who's usually can't see something that's 5 feet in front of him. Yep, we did it. We actually saw something. So that's fun. Oh, the big waddle up. I like it. So I can now say that we are successfully going to head back to the house. We have participated in enough fun events for the day. Yeah, I was wondering about this. Hey, I know that guy. We still got another neighborhood to hit on the way in. So, and this neighborhood's about done. It's about done. Today overall for a Friday has been a smashing success. Smashing, because it's not even that late yet. We've only been out not even that long, really. Couple hours, not even a couple of hours. I think we started at like 5:30 or something, and it's 7 now. So we would take that. Okay. We were on the way to the next neighborhood, and of course I had to I have a hard time with not finishing the neighborhoods that I was originally running. And this is one of the neighborhoods that I run every week. There it goes. I think it was not supposed to be that difficult. Oh boy. Yeah, my plan was just to hulk this thing. Hulk it right over the top here. Let's see what you're doing. Oh. And it doesn't matter because I'm completely out of my mind. I see what you're doing, so I'm grab it in the same spot. All right, let's see what's going on up here. All right, it's good enough. It's good enough, eh? Those straps on this thing and be done. Headed back towards the house. Well, we're gonna finish off this neighborhood. So, if we're able to throw some stuff on there. I have a feeling like we will. Well, good morning to you. Good morning. Here we are, near and far. So yeah, good morning. Friday morning. We're gonna go dump this in, and that's all for today. We'll go dump this and be done. We have a we have something we gotta go do. We gotta go pull a toilet and reset it because it's a leaky. So, step one, let's go empty this stuff. Off we go. All right, good morning. Good morning, happy Friday. It's a finish strong Friday. There he is. What's up, stud? Dude, this place is crazy back here. Boom, boom, boom. It's the man with the plan. The one and only. The Packer Scrapper. How was Dallas?
It was nice.
Yeah.
For me anyways. The wife had to do stuff, but that's fun.
I want to get there. I've been to San Antonio and the military. Ba-ding. Good old Lake E&H. Uh-oh. Yes, sir. Found the first grill ever made last night. I think Jesse will take her just like that. Let's check her out. Let's give her the old test. 1 2 1 2. Yeah, it's all aluminum. Take the whole thing up there. There will be no breaking that down, thank you. What do we think of? Yeah, see, that thing's all scuffed up in the front. If it wasn't scuffed up so bad. Ooh, skewers. Little death hooks. Dun, dun, dun. Finish strong Friday. Uh-oh. Get out of here. Maybe this whole piece can just go right over the top or something. Yeah, easy with the shirt hooking. Another one bites the dust. Bow, bow, bow. I need that barrel, but there's like a whole moat now. I got to do a whole Super Mario Brothers to get to it. Huh?
What do you need?
A barrel. I try to keep all these barrels.
Oh.
Those blue barrels. That's what I put at businesses. I label all mine and put them at businesses.
Nice.
Yeah. I get one or two every once in a while. Try not to make it a habit though, because then people start expecting it from you, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's right. Oh, there's our ironing board from last night. Easy. Easy. Our ironing board from last night. That wouldn't close. Slide and glide. Do 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 do. No, easy, easy, easy. None of that. No pushing. I was getting it right in the head. Hey, 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 hey. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Get out of here. Oh, nope, 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 nope. This thing's a beast. You almost got. Oh. Yeah, what now? Woo! Oh, I forgot that stupid battery from yesterday. Back at the card show tomorrow.
Are you really?
Yeah. Figured might as well try it. We did all right last time, so.
Couple hundred ain't bad for a day.
Yeah. This is kind of that downtime though. Baseball's already started. Basketball's on the way out. But training camp, football, maybe, who knows? All right, we're bringing this all to Jeffy. Everyone got through?
In the comments.
Oh, really?
People are like, ooh,
I know. I'm so sorry.
I know. It happened.
Look at this. This is the first girl. I didn't know we were live. I tell people all the time, I got a potty mouth when I'm not live.
I do. Wow.
This was the first girl ever, man.
Portable kitchen by Hamlin Products. Little Rock, Arkansas. Wow. An aluminum. Do you know how toxic it is? No. They're all aluminum. I watched a movie on HBO, a documentary about the military, and one of their vehicles was made out of aluminum, and when it caught on fire, the smoke from the aluminum would give you Alzheimer's.
Oh.
They showed. So that's what I was like.
That's no fun.
Yeah. Got that big boy?
Muscles. Dude, that's some extrusion. I'm actually gonna do some chords today.
Huh?
Do some chords today. Clean. Ah, I hit it. I hit it.
What?
I had a tire. And I got it. I even got it on video. Proof. Look, I got your favorite thing. Your favorite thing.
Oh, I know. In the summer you don't get much of it.
You know, I've had a pretty good influx lately. Ow.
He said he might go. He said he might go. If the boss has nothing planned.
Yeah, if the boss ain't got nothing planned for me, absolutely.
Some aqua therapy.
Son, I need to go swimming. I need to get in some swimming.
Oh, you guys.
That's it, I'm going to play plumber. Hold on a second here.
What?
Think we got a pound? I think it's a little light.
Yeah.
It's a little,
You have like 14, 15 ounces. Out of it.
yeah, you're the man. I mean, technically, if it's bouncing, I'm sure I got another piece in here. Here, I'll donate these 2 pieces of aluminum, so we're all on the even. There you go.
Have a good one.
I'll see you later.
Coming back?
No, I gotta go play plumber. I'll huh? I'm gonna lay the pipe. I'll see you guys later. And happy Sunday. This is kind of what we got yesterday. I didn't bring you out with me because I just did a little short run in the neighborhood. Not really expecting all that much, but we killed. We did all right. So we are just going out for a couple of hours this morning. Couple, quick, that's why I'm bringing you with me. And then we got some family stuff to do today, so we're just gonna hit it quick and see what we can get. So let's go. Happy Sunday. Okay. Happy Sunday. Trying not to be too stupid noisy right now. Just because it is Sunday morning. It's not quite 8 o'clock. I'm awful bouncy today though. I've been up since about 5:30 this morning. And yeah, just going. I am I was whooped yesterday. I got to bed at a decent hour. Oh goodness. This thing is being a this whole thing has been a pain in the butt. Golly. All right, well, she got up there. We've actually had a pretty, we didn't even go out yesterday for an hour. Yesterday was so unplanned that I didn't even take the camera. That's how unplanned it was. All right, I'm gonna strap this down and we will see you guys sooner than later. Ooh, I heard something shift over there. What's in here? Mostly trash. Hey, we got a chair. You know what to do when we get a chair. You gotta sit back. You gotta relax. and then smash the out of that like and subscribe button. We appreciate you. Let's go. Look, it's beautiful out. It is for free. But you know what they say? If it's for free, then it's for me. Let's get this thing filled up. That'd be great. Nice morning fill up on a Sunday. Okay, welcome back. Sunday morning, we just unloaded the trailer. And this is everything from Saturday and to this point on Sunday. So, oh, and that's Lily saying hello. Empty trailer. Good to go. So yeah. All right, so that's a day. Not really, but that's where we're gonna stop this video. We have to do a Sunday night. Monday will be the next video. So on Friday we did about 950 pounds for almost $90. So that was pretty good. Yeah, I didn't do any recording after that on Friday. We went and changed out a toilet. Then we went to lunch. And we just kind of hung out the rest of the day. Saturday we had the card show. And then came back, and I didn't even plan on going out. Somebody called me and I was outside and I ran and got it, and then half of the trailer got filled. And then this morning, really wasn't a whole lot of anything. More wasting time, but it's all right. Still got out there and looked around a little bit. We have some family stuff we're gonna do today. So if I go out at all, it'll be on the next video. So we'll see. We'll see. So thank you everybody. Appreciate all the watches. Appreciate everybody who subscribes. You guys are awesome. And we will see you. Oh, check everybody out. You know, all the usual suspects. And yes, so that's a day. We're cutting it. Little quick outro today. So y'all have a great day, and we will see you on the next one.